Okay, our next problem over here asks us what is 1.5 as a fraction. This is actually quite straightforward because let me just write it down over here. Oopsie. The mouse is moving oddly. It's just the internet. The connectivity is bad, probably. Okay, so let's get to our 15th problem. What is 1.5 as a fraction? 1.5 as a fraction. Oh, 1. 1.5 as a fraction. So we know that the 5 is on the 10th place. The 5 is on the 10th place. Oh, see. Oh, I'm trying. Our 5 is on the 10th place. Is on the 10th place. Oh, finally it works. The 5 is on the 10th place, and 1.5 is equals to 1 plus 0.5. These two fractions has the same value, and we know the 5 is on the 10th place, so the denominator is 10, and the numerator is just 5 because the numerator is what's on the right of the dot in the decimal. Okay, so now we have 1 plus 5 over 10, and we can further simplify the fraction 5 over 10 because 5 and 10 has a common factor, and their greatest common factor is 5. So we just divide both the top of the fraction by 5 and the bottom of the fraction by 5. So on the top, or the numerator, we have 5 divided by 5, which is 1. On the bottom, or on the denominator, we have 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So here we just have 1 plus 1 over 2, which is 1 and a half, which is also 3 over 2. Both the answer 1 and a half and 3 over 2 are acceptable because they're both fractions. It depends on which one you like better or which one your teacher requires if they had specific requirements. Alright, so that's how we convert the decimal 1.5 to a fraction. Now, let's look at our sample solution over here. Our sample solution is correct. Let's just say the solution is correct. I think the way that I rated it is easier, but the solution is correct regardless. So let's just say the solution is correct. Good job. Yes. Okay, now let's move on to our next